I've been trading for 6 years and I've tested hundreds of strategies, ICT, SMC, supply and demand. But the problem is all of these strategies are complicated or don't even work. In the last month alone, I have generated $50,000 in profits. And what's even more impressive is I've been keeping a 100% win rate for the last 2 weeks on my YouTube live streams using only one simple strategy. And the best part is it's 100% mechanical, no daily bias required, extremely simple and repeatable. So now let me show you the complete strategy and the results of last week. So we have 4 steps in total for this strategy. Let me start right away with the first step. First step is you will come at 9:30. Then you will mark your area of interest that you are looking out for. And don't worry, I will go over which areas those are going to be. You will just be able to screenshot them. So what we are going to wait for is a bullish leg up and then a pullback into the area of interest. That's basically the first step. Guys, we put a lot of effort into making these videos and 80% of you are not even subscribed, so make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get back to the video. The second step is right around 9:40 we will wait for a consolidation around the area of interest. Here the aim is to wait for buyers and sellers to show who is in control, who is more interested to drive price up or down. Now on the third step we will wait for our confirmation, okay? And this usually happens around 9:50, right before the 1 hour candle will close. So we are still around our area of interest. We had the range build up right here, and then we will wait for a candle formation just like this one, okay? And why is this so important? As I said before, we want to see who is strong and who is being trapped, because we know that in the market, if traders in a certain direction are trapped, they have to cover their positions, and those will result in an explosive move, a momentum driven move into our direction. So right here you will see that the range gets manipulated to the downside. We are taking out this low right here and also this low, and then we are closing above the range right here. It's very simple and you will be able to identify this very easy, especially when we go through the trade examples. And how this exactly looks on candlesticks is just like this on the right, and we call this the manipulation candle. Why? Because exactly this move right here that takes out this low is this wick, and this impulsive move to the upside trapping the sellers is this high right here. So this manipulation candle represents this entire move right here, guys. And why is this so strong? Because first of all, you will have traders who sold here have to cover with buy stops, so they have to buy this up to close their sell positions. Then what happens? Traders that try to buy in this range put their stop below this low right here. What happens? They get stopped out right here, and when we see that buyers are getting stopped out but it still goes up, this means that passive buyers are pushing price to the upside, and this is represented by a bullish manipulation candle. So now we are ready for our final step, and that's the execution, guys. So right here we have waited for our area of interest to get tapped. First step done. Second step, we got the range build up right here. Third step, we got the manipulation, and now the final step is we're going to enter right here after the closure of the MC, which represents the manipulation candle. Entry right here, stop loss goes below the manipulation candle. We are risking low, but we want a high reward, so we're gonna aim for a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This is very simple and mechanical, guys. So let me now walk you through all of the trades that I have taken live on stream and had 100% win rate. So now, guys, this is Monday. This is the first day of the week, and we are trading the New York session. As you guys can see, we have been in a downtrend throughout this day, and right here, as you guys can see, I have an indicator on. I have the privilege to have an indicator like this, but I will show you guys how you can trade the exact same way without an indicator. Now, in this example, as you guys can see, the area of interest, first of all, we already tapped the FVGs right here. And we also have the previous day's low. So we're just waiting for our manipulation candle for the entry confirmation. Okay, we're still ranging, and right there we get our manipulation candle. And yes, this is already given by the indicator, but no problem, guys. This is also the manipulation candle that I was explaining before. So let me just show you guys the trick. I flip the chart, and as you guys can see, it's the exact same thing. We take out the low, close above the high. In this case, this is bearish, so vice versa. We take out the high of the previous candle and close below the low. Okay, so why is this so important? Because right here at breaks of highs, buyers are getting enticed, but not only buyers, sellers are also getting stopped out. So this means here, if we then see a push to the downside, this means sellers are interested in price going down further, and buyers are getting stopped out, which will most likely result in an explosive move to the downside. And that's exactly where you're gonna enter. By the way, guys, this is at 9:30, so on gold the timestamps can vary, but with the indices, please stick to those timestamps. And as I said, guys, we're gonna aim for at least a 1 to 2. Sometimes we get less, sometimes way more than we expected, but this is what we're going to aim for. Caught this one live on stream. You can go back to 27th October and watch the live stream on our live streaming channel, and this trade was just perfect, just melted down, and yeah, it went for even more and more and more. So just a simple recap for you guys. The first step was we come to our area of interest, the FVG, and here also the previous day low. Second step, we got our range right here. Third step, we get our manipulation candle, and the fourth step is the entry and the take profit. Let's go on to the next day. So right here again, guys, this is pretty much the same exact thing over and over again, but now it's a bullish example. So exactly what we wanted. We come down to our area of interest. We have a bunch of FVGs and also the previous week's low right here. So that's the first step. So now we are seeing a range build up right around 940 to 945. This is crucial. We're still waiting, doing nothing. We're waiting now for the third step, which was, type it in the comments, right there, exactly, the manipulation candle, guys. Yes, the indicator is giving me the long, but when you know the rules, you will be able to trade this also without the indicator, guys. And with this one right here, many of you may say, okay, what did you do here? I mean, what are you doing and stuff like this? But let me show you what happened here, guys. So as you see, the timing was not that great. It was 9:51, very close to my entry time frame. So what I did right here is I just waited a little bit longer and executed right about there. And as you guys see, it's just crazy. The 1 to 2 just gets hit day in, day out. Why? Because look, this is very key, guys. We have another area of interest. This is the previous day high, and usually if you are going to see a reversal, it's going to be from a previous day low or high, whatever. That's why it's important to bank your profits, and that's exactly what we did also during our live stream. And you can check this date as well, 29th. This was a Wednesday. So now I have a trade example for all you NQ traders, indices traders out there. This was on Thursday, 30th of October, and as you guys can see, we are right at 9:30. We are already at very nice areas where we can look to get into a trade. Just gonna play price right here. The indicator is giving me a short, but as we said, 9:30 we will not trade, and I don't want you guys to trade during the open. This takes way more experience. We are going to go over something mechanical and repeatable, so something that you can do over and over again. So right here, this is now a bit different. Why? Because we have now a bigger range build up, but we still have this range pre-9:30. Right before 9:30, we still have this range. We come to our area of interest. As you guys can see, we have the daily open, we have the 4-minute bearish fair value gap right there. Just tap that perfectly. Now we're gonna see a little bit of a range again. So this is now our second step. Okay, we're seeing the range build up again, and what are we waiting for? Exactly, you guessed it right, we are waiting for our manipulation candle. And yes, the indicator is giving me a short, guys, but if you know the steps, you can enter based on just this video alone. You don't need anything else, guys. Look right here, the bearish manipulation candle, it takes out all those range highs. It traps buyers, it stops out sellers, and then goes back into the range. And now what are we gonna do? We're just gonna aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This would be also right below the 930 opening range. And that's it. That was our fourth step, guys. That was the final step. Just execute, don't overthink this. And this trade goes on and on and on, a little bit range, etc. Eventually, guys, if you just stick to the strategy, you will see that this strategy will pay you every single time. Just stick to the easy 4-step trading plan, and that's it. So now let me go to the last trade example I took. I mean, that was a crazy trade. So now we are back on gold again, guys. We have the area of interest already, which is the daily open right here. I'm just waiting for my manipulation candle at this point. So we are already at the third step right here. Also, the indicator is giving me the long. That trade, that was just crazy, guys. Why? Because it just smacked the take profit. And maybe some of you will think, oh wow, this guy, he adjusted his long position, so it's a 2R. But no, guys, I actually entered right there, and this trade was just a 1-to-1. So I closed this trade at a 1-to-1. This was just my last trade of the week. I just wanted to be done for the week. I banked so many good profits. I was just like, okay, this is already a very good trade. Walk away and call it a day. And this is the reality of trading. You're not gonna hit a 1-to-2 every single time with this strategy, but it has a huge win rate. And yes, you guys can see this maybe here as well. We have our win rate table: 60%, 75%, 25, 66% win rate. This is only on the 5-minute time frame, by the way. I mean, we have some crazy stats all over the place. It's basically free money at this point. Just 4 simple steps. Let's repeat that. We have a bullish move to the upside. We come down. Then we build up the range right here. Then we come down and up, build the manipulation candle right here. We enter and we let the market do its thing. Win or lose, we don't care. Come back on the next day, do the same thing again. And believe me or not, I'm doing just this, and I have a 100% win rate on my live streams the past few weeks at this point. If you want, you can join our live streams as well, guys. If you want to have the indicator, there's gonna be a link in the description. Also, just by trading these exact setups, I've made $21.5 thousand on my FunetNext Rapid accounts, guys. I'm gonna blend it in right here. As you guys can see, this was just pretty easy, going for base hits every single day and banking the profits over and over again. By the time this video is gonna be out, I probably secured another 9K on those accounts. So it's just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Now what I want you to do, go and back test this, go watch the live streams and go to the exact timestamps of those live streams when we took the trades. Go through our thought process there and try to understand everything to the T. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also comment and let me know what you think about this strategy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.